Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Kum ka jingas no tilang bat ka ri barok away. Ha ka jing rakhe ka National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. Ka Joy Civil Hospital Blood Bank Center. Kala Pynkup Burom ya ki Kynhun ki bajumi Syakmat ban Synñiang ya la ka Snam dan ki Voluntary Blood Donor Organization. Ha ka jing lang ka pelong da ka Joy Civil Hospital Blood Center ringkat ka jing lang bat ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society bat ka National Health Mission Meghalaya halor ka phang. Donating blood is an act of solidarity, joint efforts and save lives. Hakini kasila rakhilang da UMLA jong ka Joy uba wailat miki shela ka medical superintendent jong ka Civil Hospital Joy ka Dr. Rita Porman u Occupational Health Center jong ka Dalmia Bharat Limited u Dr. Ramanan Prasad u Senior Doctor Bapet ya ka Joy Civil Hospital Blood Center u Dr. P. Shela bat ki dikhot jong ki Kynhun ki baju Synñiang ya la ka Snam na kapor syakapor.
Sekarang sini aspasan pam. Next. Begini to activities ki wal the yogi the sports blood bank yung ijo em ko. Jo celebrate ik world blood donor day kan te dot ka sni kan pang yung ki voluntary blood donor. Jo celebrate ila ek national voluntary blood donation day ko man kam day kasni. Dan orang ki kam ki blood donation camp plus awareness program. Man ke citari u October ka ri India wara hobi dapat man ka ya ka jirakhe ya ka National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. Darajin tu yo penpriang cucu ya ka jingap kam yang ka voluntary blood donation. Dia haunya Snam kam dam. Haunya Snam ka Ministry of Health jong ka Sarkar India dapat priang dapat man ka ka program nang yung priang cucu ika launch ini ka program ini ka drive ka wulan ini ka tiapor kanyang teri usap domba da ka open money ki ya ka awareness program waya ka blood donation camp kepada cimpenta deka Presbyterian Church Joy waga Miementu ke Catholic Church. Dalam program man success.
And collecting center and storage system is very important to save anybody's life. In case of emergency operations, mass accident, casualties, wars, this system is, I think, lifeline of saving anybody's life who are in danger, who require blood. So no replacement of blood. So I think, in my view, this organization like this, blood donation center and blood banks, are doing very great work for humanity. Thanks for my side, as well as for soldier. I was honored with governors of Meghalaya and governors gold medal for my works. This is my brief introduction. And regarding this blood donation, why blood donation is so important? In spite of tremendous research and development in medical field, we are not able to prepare a single drop of blood. So only way to save life, if we have lots of equipment, advancement, and patient lacking in blood.
We were born in from same order. Welcome is now, like no against now. Never, memory no way. He the poor who are Anjapra, come to some line of Balangi, Yini, or Bloodry, or I'm not sure hostel like I have, Dr. Montanel hostel wife. And a lot of them, Synñiang, getting a blood jump cell, about Balangi. thì sang ngôi là của aja kaso
Mang kesini, ki accident, ki jing or, ki jing hap, ki jing lain luti, ki jing kret, yung hair, yung mang kesini. Dan itu daud em kam emi, ya ke stop ku biang, ku ye pun em kam hewan ni boni ko. Tengah emi jing senyau dia wan ni mana cau mana dengan program, mana yo ni ke program, dukat bagi staff, bagi blood donors ni. Ngapun man senyau dia pun ngai, kan ni bertang kerja program, tok penman man grant, kenapa mungkin pak kuah. The yoi ni voluntary blood donors. Yoi kama da bonba. Tanghan kat tele. Hai yoi por tang em kam chui nang chi bon chui. Te em kam wa uya emi upun senyal thoi. Leba kini hagini iski do kat ni. Kama da khana kama da kelam gini doctors. Hachwai yung na. Oh, mana jing senyau si, ia na chuau pelamo em jing senyau dia, meba mau senyau per pinga dan dia Snam pi. Untuk membuat dia tidak mana uru cai pa dengan pos ke por mete buat bau tang pencie chuai pi dia te kapan jadi tan program terus mana dah merah tu. Nak terpakai ni. Hei, yang kan ini bisa program. Kalau penmani di program orang head, ukudi yang dibaca orang pun, lani di school, di colleges, kenapa pun senyap toy, yaki. Lepas adon ni kesini lada empat dan boni, nak dibaca yang di, em senyap toy yang jingkor dor yang jingis na. Yang di, entah bonek baik. Mana 3 months recycle tu. Mentu nga ni Snam po em po yung nga kapok ling nga ini RBC cells.
Please clap your hands. The next organizers from the next organizers.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.